So this is a 1-bedroom penthouse suite. This has a strip view, which I will show you in a minute is pretty horrible, but standard penthouse room. We got a bathroom off to the side with the toilet. You've got, opens up to this nice living room area with a dining room. Of course, like all Bellagio ones, we've got your blinds controlled automatically by a touch of a button, which is always pretty cool. Better open those back up. And then to the left when you walk in, you've got your wet bar. Chargeable snacks, obviously they're gonna charge you for them. You do have 2 fridges, one that has the stuff that you get charged for and another one that you just use, which is always pleasurable. And then it's got this nice back bar decor. Come back out, the living area, you walk in and you got a great TV. Couple bar stools to sit over there. And you do have a little desk work area. Very spacious room. I always enjoy these penthouse 1-bedroom suites. Here's for the disappointment though. If you're looking for a view, I wouldn't get this room. You got basically the back of the strip. I don't know what the name of that street is, but the strip is in front of there. So this is, I would say, a 1 star on the view, Bellagio. Go on a little bit further. Again, you've got a great spacious area. Dining room. TV. They got a cool, these TVs have like a Harman Kardon type speaker system, so it's super loud. All right, bedroom. Walking in the bedroom, nice chase lounge. Let's open these up again. Very spacious. Little chest of drawers. Look from this angle. This has 2 areas here. You got your tub where you can get ready. 2 separate, basically, vanity areas to get ready. This one has the tub. Very nice, very roomy jacuzzi tub with its own water closet. Plenty of space, a nice little area for makeup. This is the side that has the safe in the closet. Spacious, always comes with the robe. And you got the shower. Another vanity over here with another water closet. So again, it's plenty of, you got 2 people staying here, you're getting out of each other's way. Little bench there so you can get dressed, whatnot. Water closet. And we'll give you this closet. This one unfortunately does not have a safe in it, so you gotta go to the other one. But that's it. So this is room 32055. Great room. I would not recommend it for the view. If you can get them to give you a different view, yes. And this is called a strip view, guys, so tell me what you think back down in the comments if this is a strip view. Please like and subscribe, giving you tours of my hotel rooms as I travel Hope you enjoyed.